যে কোনো মানুষের মনেই প্রেম আসতে পারে যে কোনো মুহূর্তে। আর যদি সেই প্রেমের মাঝে আসে প্রেমের কবিতা, তাহলে তো আর কথাই নেই। তাই এবার প্রেমের ভাষা নিয়ে নতুন কবিতা বাঁধলেন রুবেন্দ্র বাগদাশ। আসুন এক নজরে শুনে নেওয়া যাক ব্লু বার্ড ফ্রম হেভেন, হিলার অফ দ্য সোল, রুবেন্দ্র বাগদাশের নতুন সেই প্রেমের কবিতা।
Hello everyone, I'm Rubendra Bagdash and I'm from Darjeeling. So I have written this book which is called Blue Bird from Heaven, Healer of the Soul. So why I chose this title is because I feel like our Mother Earth is suffering. So and we see that the people are in the streets rotting in a gutter. So many artists who want to execute their passion and art, but somehow they are being rotting in a gutter. Why? I need to question this. And I have written this book focusing on art, not on the artist, not on the literature, but basically on the art. What art is supposed to be. I believe that art is supposed to be a new religion. That's why I feel like art now poets, musicians, artists should be the healers. They should heal the earth, they should heal the people, and they should reawaken who we are. Okay, that's the whole purpose of my art, to reawakening who we are as a human being and what we can do as being a human. This is the whole purpose of my art, and the book is called The Blue Bird from Heaven, Healer of the Soul. And I feel like my poems is basically to heal